Hello and welcome to Master Stroke. I am Mike. This lesson is about rounding off of whole numbers. Let's follow to the end as we unveil the simplest way to round off numbers. If not yet subscribed, I request that you click the subscribe button. Let me use this simple story to introduce the lesson. John meets his friend James, and his friend asks him, "How many students are you in your school?" We are about 3,000. Can you remember a more exact figure? Yeah, about 2,900. Now, can you remember the exact figure? Yes, we are about 2,918. From the three figures given by John, 2,918 is exact. The other two are rounded off to different levels of accuracy. 2,900 is rounded off to the nearest 100. The number 100 to which 2,900 is rounded to is known as accuracy. 3,000 is rounded off to the nearest 1,000. So why do we need to round off in the first place? Okay, rounded numbers are more memorable. John remembers 3,000 first because it is easier to remember than 2,918. Secondly, rounded numbers are easy to use. It is easier to calculate 5,000 plus 3,000 than it is to calculate 5,132 plus 2,918. Now let's take this example. Round off 528,478,305 to the nearest 10,000. 528,478,305 is the number to be rounded, and 10,000 is the accuracy. The first step is to stack the two numbers so that the digits in the same place value are aligned, starting from the right where we have ones. The next step is to identify the digit that is vertically above the 1 of the accuracy. This digit is very important, and in this video we will call it the target. The digits to the right of the target will always be reduced to zeros, and the digit to the left of the target will remain unchanged. So what do we do with the target? Well, we have two options. We can add 1 to the target. In our case, we will get 8 because our target is 7. Or we can keep the target unchanged so that we remain with 7. If we add 1 to the target, we say that the number has been rounded up because the number obtained is larger than the original number. If the target remains unchanged, then we say that the number has been rounded down because the number obtained is smaller than the original number. Now, to choose what to do with our target, we consider the immediate digit to the right, in our case 8. If that digit to the right is greater or equal to 5, that is, it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we round up. So we add 1 to the target to obtain 8. If the number to the right is less than 5, that is, it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we round down. We leave the target unchanged. In our case, we remain with 7. So now the digit to the right of our target is 8. It is greater than 5, therefore we round up. We add 1 to the target to obtain 8. Our rounded off answer becomes 528,480,000. Let's consider a second example. Round off 670,342 to the nearest thousands. 670,342 is a number to be rounded. and thousands is the accuracy. We stack the numbers as in the first example. Note that thousands was in words, but we have written it in digit format. The 1 of the accuracy is vertically aligned to the 0 of the digit to be rounded. 0 therefore becomes our target. The digit to the right of the target is 3, which is less than 5, so we round down. All the digits to the right of the target will be zeros. Since we are rounding down, the target will be unchanged, so it will remain to be 0. Our rounded answer is therefore 670,000. I have done another video on this topic with other examples, and I've left the link in the description section. You can watch for more examples. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.